Okay, so we've got an October 2020 Toyota Yaris Cross, 5-door automatic hybrid, pearl white in colour, reverse camera and sensors. It's got the tinted windows, weather shields, alloy wheels. There is not a mark on this car. It's only travelled 20,000 kilometres. Got the front and side cameras as well, front sensors for parking. Just an immaculate car. We'll take a look at the interior. Power windows, we've got the cruise control, the Bluetooth connectivity, there's your dash there, 20,400 Ks, satellite navigation, climate air conditioning, automatic transmission. So the interior seat trim, all in excellent condition. There's your front passenger, logbooks, 2 keys, has had both of its services done. And there's your back seat, all looking pretty much like new. Just show you inside the boot. So nice big boot. All inquiries welcome. Please give us a call.